Today I'm going to teach you how to import stock tax information into TurboTax. This process streamlines your tax filing by automatically pulling in investment data, saving you from manual entry and reducing potential errors. Start by opening your browser and heading to turbotax.intuit.com. Once you're on the TurboTax homepage, sign into your account if you haven't already. Enter your credentials and wait for your account dashboard to load completely. This might take a moment depending on your connection speed, so give it a few seconds to fully process. Once your account has loaded, you'll need to navigate to the right section for importing your stock information. Look at your left navigation menu and click on Federal. This will trigger a drop-down menu to appear with several options. From here, hover your cursor over Income and the menu will expand to show you additional categories. From the expanded options, click on Investments and Savings. This section is specifically designed for handling all investment-related tax documents, including stocks, dividends, and capital gains. Now here's where the process becomes quite straightforward, and TurboTax really makes it easier for you. You'll be presented with a list of documents including 1099 INT, 1099 DIV, 1099B, Forms 3921 and 3922, and 1099K. These are the standard tax forms that brokerages and financial institutions use to report your investment activity throughout the year. If you possess any of these documents, click on Yes at the bottom of the screen. This confirms that you have investment income to report and triggers the import process. The next step is simple. You'll see a field where you can link your brokerage account or bank account directly to TurboTax. Enter your account information into the field provided, and TurboTax will handle the rest from here. The platform will securely connect to your financial institution and automatically import all relevant stock tax information. This automated process pulls in your transaction history, capital gains, dividends, and any other investment income that needs to be reported on your tax return. And that's it. You've successfully imported your stock tax information into TurboTax, making your tax filing process much simpler and more accurate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.